All right, you guys, so I don't know where you guys are in the world right now, but it's been about 2 to 3 weeks of this quarantine lockdown, and for extroverts like me, it's really hard to just sit inside and wait for the unknown. So I've noticed for me, makeup is therapy, makeup is my outlet, and you know, I've been a professional makeup artist for 10 years, and I finally realized this is truly what I love to do. I mean, it's all about connecting with people, making people feel beautiful, and it starts with myself. So I want to encourage you guys, you know, no matter where you're at during this time, you know, have some habits, have some positive self-care time. And I know for me, I make sure I get out of the house and go on a walk at least, get some sunshine, and of course, take a moment to put something on my face. So my new challenge for myself is just take 5 minutes out of my day to, you know, get glam. And so I'm gonna put a 5-minute timer on and show you guys my day-to-day 5-minute quarantine lockdown makeup. So I hope you enjoy. All right, so let's jump right in. Let's make sure we sanitize the hands. So I'm just going to take a minute, make sure we're being sanitary, especially during this time, even if it's doing makeup on yourself. Let's just be extra cautious and sanitize the hands. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys this magic product. It's by Estee Lauder. It has SPF 45, and it's a moisturizer makeup all in one. So pretty much it's like tinted moisturizer, and I just like to take about half a pump and go ahead and apply it with your fingers. And again, make sure you guys sanitize. And I just like to put it kind of in the center of my face. And I know that looks really silly right now, but think of it as kind of the highlight points of the face, okay? And then I'm just gonna take my finger and go ahead and just blend and dab. And as you can see, it just instantly kind of brightens this face, adds a little bit of radiance as well. And a little bit goes a long ways, as you can see. All right, so we're just gonna keep blending that away. And one little fun trick I like to do with my makeup technique, especially if I only have 5 minutes, is I'm going to kind of cheat my way into highlight and contour. So what that means is I know it's a little light, but that's where I go in with bronzer and kind of warm up the face again. So next up, I have my Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and I just take a little brush here. I'm going to softly contour the face, and this is where you can start to add a little more warmth to the face. And again, highlight contour doesn't need to be a 10-step program. As you can see, this already looks so much better. So again, we're gonna go ahead and add the bronzer along the cheekbones, hairline, nose, and chin. Okay, and already I have such a healthy glow. All right, and one thing I do love about this product is you can even use it on the lid. So I just take a little brush here and blend it all over the lid to give it that beautiful, soft, bronzy glam. And I know some people might think, okay, Jane, that's pretty obvious, but a lot of people don't know that you can actually use your bronzer as an eyeshadow. So you guys can see it already gives me this cute little look without even trying. And not everyone gets flawless brows naturally, so I'm gonna show you how to fill them in, and I'm using Morphe brow cream. And this particular color is in Mocha. And so I like to take a little spoolie, brush the hair so they're all in unison with one another. I know sometimes you can wake up with some crazy brows, so I wanna just go in lightly and just give it a little more shape to the brows. Okay, so you can see I'm just going in naturally, and you can see that it's giving you a little more arch and definition. And of course, we're just hanging out at home, so don't worry about doing the full arch with the full contour, just enough to give yourself some definition. Okay, and go into the other side lightly. And the key here is you want to use an angled brush and just use soft sweeping motions. Okay, and we're doing pretty good on time. Okay, and again, our goal is just to do a soft glam in less than 5 minutes. Next, you want to curl the lashes. And this just gives it that instant lift. Okay, and then next up, I'm going to use my mascara. And this one is by Julep. It's Length Matters, and it's just a really nice mascara to give you a little bit of length and volume. And again, it's just enough. Okay, doing great. All right, and then feel free to add a little bit of lip balm or your favorite lip gloss, but that's pretty much it. Just a quick little 5-minute makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short, simple 5-minute makeup for quarantine. And if you are interested in some in-depth tutorials, I have 2 videos that are 30 minutes long. They're step-by-step on how you can achieve beautiful, flawless makeup. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Beauty Expert Jane. We cover anything from makeup tutorials, product reviews, and behind-the-scenes vlogging with my husband. And if you haven't already, please share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!